So I'm just making a little video for a fellow YouTuber who asked me a question about the Swiss Champ and the 111mm Work Champ. He was sort of asking which I would prefer if I had to buy one of the two. And I said I'd make this little video, but I cannot find my Work Champ. I've had a good look around. I found the 111mm Hercules. It's very similar to the Work Champ, except for it doesn't have a mini screwdriver and this file, which is a really good metal file. So this metal file is on my Work Champ XL, which is a bit bigger again than the Work Champ. So some of the questions he had was, why does the sewing oil on the 111mm not have a sewing eye? But I learned something this afternoon. Most of my 111mm are slide locks, and all of the older models, the All-Reamer has the sewing eye, where the newer ones, like this Fireman, has no sewing eye. Another difference with the newer 111mm, they have a liner lock just there, so the main blade's locked, where the Swiss Champ's main blade is just a slip joint basically. So there's quite a bit difference in the size there. And for me, being left-handed, I don't mind this slide lock because it's quite easy. It's got a half stop and closes. Where the older models, like the Hercules, it has a little slide you pull down and locks it. Some other things that are interesting are the pliers on the 91mm and the 111mm are the same. Oops, sorry. They're the same. I just realized I picked up a Handyman. My Swiss Champs here. Too many knives. Something else that's interesting is that the scissors on both are the same size as well. So if that's a concern, don't be worried. Excuse me. One thing I did notice between the older slide lock 111mm and the newer liner lock, the cap lifter is quite a lot beefier, I guess the word could be. So yeah, and it has a liner lock. It has a liner lock to close, as opposed to the older models, they just close normally. So yeah, so a good alternative to the Work Champ would be the Hercules. Something a bit smaller again would be the Atlas. I think they're a bit hard to get hold of at the moment. Something a bit bigger than the Work Champ is the Work Champ XL. And the Swiss Champ and the Handyman are pretty close. There's a Champion as well that doesn't have a magnifying glass, but they're getting a bit hard to get to. But yeah, Swiss Champ's good. Just show you this magnifying glass while I got it out. I use that quite a bit when I happen to forget my glasses. Helps me see a bit better. Yeah. So I can't really tell you too much more. If you have any questions, just ask. All the big boys.